Hiccup from How to Train Your Dragon famously said, "I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was." This line reveals the deep empathy Hiccup feels for others, even those he's taught to fear. His words remind us that fear is a universal emotion, and recognizing that in others can change the way we act. Hiccup shows us that compassion can guide us through difficult moments, helping us find common ground even with our enemies. Think about a time when you chose empathy over fear. Didn't it help you connect with others in unexpected ways?